This Acer Nitro 5 is currently the best budget gaming laptop right now on Amazon that is capable of playing today's high-end games. It comes with Core i5, 8 gigs of RAM, 256 GB SSD, running with the GPU NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050, and on a 15.6-inch FHD 144 Hertz display. At the moment, this Acer 5 gaming laptop is selling for a discount on Amazon for under $800. It has a fantastic rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars. Let's check out some of the reviews. 79% of the customers gave this gaming laptop a 5 stars rating, with 12% giving it 4 stars. So overall, 91% of you buying this laptop will be quite happy with it. Let's check out some reviews. I love this laptop because it is low priced with very advanced hardware and also has a sleek look to it. I can play games at 100 plus FPS consistently. I would recommend buying this if looking for a low priced but high capacity laptop. Here's another customer review giving this laptop a 4 out of 5 stars. Straight out of the box, it was quick to start, and the display was amazing. Games ran okay at mid-level settings, streaming at 1080 was good. Once loaded, it would look incredible. Long story short, if you are looking for a great laptop at a good price, this is it. Watch the price as it fluctuates. Also be prepared for some upgrades. Don't worry, they designed this laptop with that in mind, with 2 SSD bays and 1 HDD bay and room for 32 GB of RAM. I'm happy with my purchase as I knew what I was getting and was prepared to put the extra into it. 32 GB may have been overkill, but I am elated with the results. Bravo, Acer! Alright, let's do some price comparisons with eBay. On eBay, right now the prices for these Acer Nitro 5 with the same specs are selling for mostly around $830. With one available right here for $790, which is the same price as Amazon. So you are definitely getting a good deal here at Amazon with this current sale. Overall, after reading a lot of the comments, if you use this laptop for playing high-end games on medium graphics settings, it'll do just fine. If you want to play high-end games with ultra graphics and high frames, be prepared to do some upgrades on RAM to 16 GB and hard drive to at least 512 SSD. Or I recommend just upgrading the RAM and keeping the 256 SSD and just storing your big files on external drive if possible. That'll work too. In summary, this Acer Nitro 5 with RTX 3050 is capable right out of the box for playing modern games. Anyhow, this is currently the best-selling gaming laptops right now on Amazon. Check the links below for the current updated price, reviews, and comparisons at other stores. Thanks for viewing, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. I want this for more awesome product reviews and deals.